Greetings, Mr. Perry here. We continue with forces and the universe. And Miss V has a note here for you. May the force be with you, but sometimes they're against you. Potential and kinetic energy, Newton's 3 laws, and thermal energy. Let's continue where we left off. Energy, thermal energy. Thermal energy, the definition, heat energy created by the movement of molecules. The faster atoms and molecules move, the more heat and kinetic energy they create. So high energy of atoms equals heat, and those low, lazy energy of atoms equals cold. Energy tries to maintain equilibrium. Atoms in high energy or heat areas will spread to areas of low energy and heat till the energy of the atoms are balanced. Well, thermal energy, 3 methods of heat transfer. Thermal energy can transfer between states of matter. 3 methods of heat transfer. Number 1, we have conduction, which is the transfer of heat because atoms collide with each other. Between objects, cold spoon and hot tea atoms hit each other and transfer heat, but not atoms. And conduction heat transfer happens between solids, liquids, and between solids and liquids. Thermal energy, heat transfer. Well, we have convection, which is a circular transfer of heat in atoms between liquids and gases. That is, hot atoms spread out and up, and then cool down and drop down until heated again. As we can see to the right, you see that circular motion with the hot liquid rising and then getting to the top and cooling and falling back to the bottom, only to be reheated and rising again to the top. And you can see also here in our ocean example, where we have the currents which are created by this circular motion. Well, thermal energy, heat transfer, we have radiation, which is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves, and that's through solids, liquids, gases, and a vacuum, where there are no air particles like in space. Thermal heat radiation can be felt as heat and seen as light. The sun, fire, and electric coils transfer heat through radiation. And to our left here, you see electromagnetic waves are caused by the movement of charged atomic particles like electrons. You get your radio and television through electromagnetic waves. And we have thermal energy, heat transfer. It's everywhere. As you can see, we have several examples here of heat transfer. To our left there, we have a person warming their hands from the radiation created from a fire. In the middle, we see how we have our weather systems, which are affected by radiation, convection, and conduction. And circular systems in the ocean on the right there, which create a transfer of heat from the bottom of the ocean to the upper depths. And that bottom picture shows a thing they have there in the corner of the room, and they call it a radiator. It radiates heat in the room. And of course, we warm our food from the transfer of heat as we cook our food so we can eat. Well, there you have it. If you didn't get everything, simply back the recording up and listen again. You can get it. You'll get it the next time. Till then, let's hit it and quit it. Let's go.